Hey everyone, in this video we will guide you how you can send a single subcontract to multiple service provider. A production process. With that you can create a subcontract and then after can send that. How? So first of all you need to go to all modules. After going in all modules you need to go to production. So I will start from production and will show you how you need to do that. Click on this. Now once you clicked on this, please check. This is after publish. So currently it is in pending stage. That means I have already published this process. Now this is one of the production process which I need to send. It is for 2000 quantity. I will select it and click on outsource. Now once I will click on outsource, please check it will ask for the quantity. What I will do, I will simply just mention 1000 and then after convert and create SO. Let me quickly go ahead and just create an SO, test SO, and going ahead, I will simply mention the delivery date. Then polishing is the service which I am taking. All details are mentioned. Save and confirm. Now please check this is my service order created. I will go back and click I will do later and refresh the page. Now once I will refresh the page, please check here. You can see that this is a subcontracted process. Now 1000 quantity already I have subcontracted. How I can do next? I can select it again until 2000 will not get completed. This option will not get grayed out. I will select that and then after click on outsource. Now to be outsourced now 1000 already outsourced 1000. I can convert and create a show and I can select any another supplier as well. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to send your job work to multiple supplier. Have a good day ahead.